If baby teeth are extracted, the permanent tooth will immediately come in underneath.
That's incorrect. The permanent tooth doesn't come in right away. Permanent teeth also have their own eruption time.
If the toothache goes away, there's no need for treatment.
Of course, that's also wrong. Well, the toothache going away could be due to many reasons. It might go away if you take a painkiller. It could turn into a chronic infection and stop your pain, but that doesn't mean treatment isn't needed.
Fluoride strengthens tooth enamel.
That's correct. Yes, that's why we recommend toothpaste with fluoride.
Constantly chewing gum can damage the jaw joint.
Yes, that's also true. When you chew gum very often, you're constantly sending a stimulus to the muscles and joint system here, so it can cause damage.
If baby teeth get cavities, it can also affect the permanent teeth.
Yes, it can affect the permanent teeth as well, because there might be a permanent tooth next to the baby tooth, and in this way, it can be affected by the cavity.
You only go to the dentist if you have pain.
Of course that's wrong. It's something we don't want. That's why we want you to come in for routine checkups every 6 months or once a year, even if you don't have any pain.
Gum recession can be reversed.
Wrong. Unfortunately, lost gum tissue does not grow back. If we are not performing a surgical procedure, if there is no gum operation being done there, it will not come back.
Swallowing toothpaste is harmless.
That's partly wrong, partly right. It depends on how much you swallow. If you're not eating a whole tube of toothpaste, we can say it's harmless, but the amount of fluoride you ingest, meaning the dose of fluoride you swallow, is definitely important.
Tartar will fall off on its own over time.
I've heard of patients who play with toothpicks a lot, and even some who break off tartar with a scouring pad. If that's the case, it might fall off, but otherwise, it won't.
Bad breath is only related to hygiene.
Wrong. It's not just about hygiene. Bad breath can also occur due to stomach problems or other conditions.